Hi, I'm Johnny Wolff. I'm the CEO of HomeRoom. We are a co-living based company that's focused on the Midwest and Texas, and we've been using Latchel for most of this year. The thing that I love about it as the executive of the company is I'm able to review our current maintenance status super quickly. The format is excellent. You can go in and you can see where things are in progress. You can see high definition notes of what's pending, what's being scheduled, why something is delayed. There's also some really cool features in Latchel where you can tell the temperature of in that city. We're in multiple cities. We're in both Dallas and Kansas City. So having that visibility is awesome. The other thing that I think was a highlight for me when working with Latchel is the first weekend we launched it, we had a maintenance emergency handled by the phone service, routed somebody out there that was actually perfectly priced because we had set up our vendor list correctly, and they handled the problem, and we actually didn't even get a call. So it was like that was the moment that I was like, I think we might have the best solution in property management in Latchel. So there's definitely parts that you have to work through. So you have to build out your vendor list. You have to learn how to make things simple for the routing team. But once you do that and once you commit to it, it's changed the game for us in maintenance. We went from being struggling with it on a constant basis to being on top of it in just a matter of a few weeks. And so what you don't want as a CEO is to be burning a lot of time on operations when you're really trying to drive for sales and revenue. You want as much of that time to be streamlined. So like I said, the second our team committed and realized how valuable Latchel could be, it was within a few weeks of that where we really kind of turned a corner and maintenance became something that wasn't a huge concern of ours. So anyway, I love Latchel. It's something that I would recommend to every property manager, and every property manager I talk to, I tell them you should be using it.